AULA 99 is the latest gaming mechanical keyboard from AULA brand. It features three-mode connectivity via Bluetooth 5.0 or 2.4 GHz or USB-C port with hot-swappable mechanical Leobog Reaper switches and PBT key caps. In the box you will find a key cap puller, key switch puller, keyboard itself, manuals, 4 additional Leobog Reaper switches and USB-C, USB-A cable. The AULA 99 comes with a stylish purple-blue PBT keycaps that are double injection molded and produced using a heat sublimation process. Layout of this keyboard is 96%. The keyboard is equipped with Leobog Reaper switches with 5 pins, factory looped, palm stem and nylon housing. These switches are linear with 36 gram for initial force and actuation point around 1.8 millimeters. The AULA 99 features a gasket mounted structure with PCB slotting design, noise reduction foams and shock absorbing silicone inside the case. This keyboard supports Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz wireless and USB wired connection and for charging as well. And you can switch between 5 different devices and you can easily do this using shortcuts. This keyboard supports Mac, Win, iOS, Android operational systems. The AULA 99 boasts a 4000 mAh large capacity battery, which theoretically should support wireless connection and 16.8 million RGB backlight. And RGB in this keyboard is north facing. The keyboard comes with AULA custom driver and onboard memory. The driver allows you to record a macros, change light models, right, and save all settings to onboard memory profiles. The design includes 7-degree adjustable fits and 1 or even 2 interesting metal plates with the AULA keyboard label on it. Also, we have a bright RGB strips on the left and on the right side of the keyboard. Okay, now let's do the sound test and let's check how the structure is support a sound of the typing on this keyboard.